Hello and welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'll be showing how to fix my AI not showing up on Snapchat. So when you open your Snapchat and tap on the profile icon, you can see the Snapchat Plus right here. And you must remember that you need to subscribe on this feature so you can get access to my AI and can be shown on your Snapchat. So for example, in this account on Snapchat, if you are subscribed, you can see this on your screen and you need to toggle on this my AI to show up on your chat. So for example, I'll go on the chat on my Snapchat, and here you can see at the top the my AI option right here. So the second option that you're going to do to fix this problem of not showing up on your Snapchat is go to your Google Play Store. Now right on the search box, need to type on the Snapchat. So for example, this, if you saw the update button right over here, you need to tap on that so you can be access on that feature. And my AI will be shown on your chat. Now, if nothing happens, the last thing that you're going to do is to uninstall this application. So when you go to the home screen and go to your Snapchat, you can see an options right here, the uninstall. If you uninstall and reinstall this app, it can help you to fix this problem on your Snapchat, my AI not showing up. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.